pertaining that YouTube, so there may be some objection. However, I will share it among our members only in the group. So that's not a problem. So now, boys and girls appearing for UCO Bank and CBI, please go to your bank's website. You have time. You please go to that website and try to know what are the You need not know full details like this. Simply tell our bank has been showing keen interest in the matter of corporate social responsibilities. Our bank has done scholarship for this school children, college children. Our bank has provided buses for this school or college. You should know the details. Then our bank has provided lot of medical facilities if for this hospital, and like that you must be able to tell specifically. And present day they are having this, what is that, apprenticeship program. It is not that is being done by banks like State Bank, even Federal Bank, Central Bank, and all. Why they are conducting? They are showing the funds spent on that salary as some corporate social responsibility activities. Even in our group, there is one girl who is joining, what is that, State Bank of India as an apprentice. Who is that candidate, please? Some UCO Bank candidate. Some UCO Bank candidate. She told that she will be joining that day, particular day, as a apprentice. So that is also one of the things you should know. Very good. So that is one important question for you. Now, we were discussing about sure short questions. In any interview, these questions will be there. That's what we were discussing. So the second question is, I was discussing about what do you know about the bank. Then after telling about the banks, then if you can know about the business details, I have given for CBI, I have given for Federal Bank also. I will give for our UCO Bank today. I will type out and put it. I have already posted a video on that also. What is their total deposits? What is their net profit? Yeah, all those things I have found out. And now, so those things you have to tell about your bank. Any questions on this? Any doubts on this, please? Any questions or any doubts? And the next
No, sir.
one, yeah. Why do you want to join UCO Bank or CBI or Federal Bank? See, this question is same answer for all the banks. Number one, banking is a growing field. It is offering enormous opportunities for career growth and immediate job satisfaction because we are dealing with the customers. I am hopeful of an excellent career for me in UCO Bank, Central Bank, Federal Bank. Like that, you should tell. And this, whatever you are telling, you should tell feeling about it. You should talk as if you are fully convinced of this. You should not be carried away by what I am telling. You must be satisfied and speak with a smile on your face. Okay? That is what is more important. Candidates who go with confidence, candidates who go and talk with a smile on their face, they are selected irrespective of the factor whether you are a married person, unmarried person, what is your age, 22 or 28, no problem. Recent results are indicating that, yeah. Unfortunately, our girl who was attending our classes regularly, Aishwarya. Unfortunately, she did not clear our central bank interview. That is why she is not present today. Very sad. Yeah. She was very good, but only thing is maybe she has not done well in the test. So what I was telling you about this question, um, why do you want to join a bank? This question I will ask you in your interview also. Then why you want to join? What is the difference between Canara Bank and Federal Bank? This is only for Federal Bank people. See, you have to say the first one is a public sector bank, second one is a private sector bank. What is a public sector bank? Public sector bank is one in which government is holding 51% and above their capital. Private sector is the other way about. We have in India 12 public sector banks. Please note down 21 private sector banks, and right now 43 RRBs. It is to be converted into 28 RRBs from 1st May or so. So these are the important point. And we have 6 payment banks, and we have 11 small finance banks also. These are the points you can tell about, um, that when they ask question. I'm just telling you extra information for this question. Next one. This is a very, 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 very important question. What are the products of you? What are the products of UCO? What happened? That has been. Mhm. Products of UCO Bank, CBI, like that. So you should know about them also. Please go through. You should know mainly about savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. Fixed deposit, you should also know various points regarding this. I have already discussed with you. Enough. I have discussed enough with all of you. You have the videos which have been posted already. Then besides that, you should also know about the products means. You should know gold loan, jewel loan, then car loan, housing loan, agriculture loan, especially agriculture candidate. There is one agriculture candidate in our group. What is her name? Vijay Lakshmi.
Vijayalakshmi.
Yeah, yeah. So you must know about, you are going for UCO Bank. UCO Bank website you go. I am not able to locate it properly. You try to find out what are the various um, agriculture loan they are giving. They must be giving agriculture loan, Kisan credit card, and they must be giving loans for tractors, and they are the top players for the tea estate in Assam. Assam and other places, lot of tea estates are there, and crores of monies are given by our UCO Bank in that. So please know about that agriculture.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, I was telling you about the today. In fact, I had a special session with Vijay Lakshmi, and I have posted a video also telling about what are the various questions that may be asked relating to agriculture, some of which may be asked in our interviews also, those who are not agriculture also. And regarding deposit products, I told you, advanced products also, I told you. Besides this, You go to the website of the bank and know about their digital products names. What is their mobile app? What is their internet banking? And what is their, say, WhatsApp banking? Like that, all those things you should know. And all of us must go through npci.org.in website. I think you know about it. I have showed you earlier also. npci.org. Are you seeing on the screen NPCI? Now it is coming. Are you seeing it, please, all of you?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, acha, acha, acha. Now there may not be much time for us, so I suggest you see this one and you please go through some of the important points that you can think of. Otherwise, what you can do is you can search in our chat GPT and put NPCI. I suggest please take down your notebook. You write down these questions. See these things, that is NPCI, RBI, IRDAI, SEBI, SEBI, NHB, National Housing Bank, then SIDBI, SIDB, ECGC, Exim Bank, like these things. These you search for these questions in Chat GPT. Ask it to give details about this in 200 words. You just bring it down, and if someone can do the service, there is nothing like that. You bring it down, send it to me, we can share it in the group also. So after doing that, you mug it up. For example, now you don't have much time for going through NPCI, then you can search Chat GPT NPCI, tell me 200 words. It will tell you, mug it up. That will do. Could you understand? See, one important point is any question, any institution, you must be able to answer from 7 W's. You must have heard me telling in other videos. What, when, why, where, which, how, who. Any question you can analyze from this 7 W's angle, and that will be a paragraph that will do for your interview. Could you follow this point, please? Yeah. Now, where are we? Here. Yeah. Then you should know about para banking also. Today I was asking Vijay, he could not answer me what is para banking. Subiksha, can you tell me what is para banking?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'm checking the notes.
No, no, no. Now is the stage. You have been with me for 1 month. You should be able to tell me easily. Huh? I have told you on the first day you joined, and after 2, 3 times, I must have told you. Now let me check up with um, who is that? Aryan, can you try this question? What is para banking activities done by banks? Aryan? No. Abai Sibai?
Yes, sir.
Abai, can you tell me about what are para banking activities?
Sir, for a bank, the para banking activities are cross-selling of the other products that are not primarily, meant to be sold at a bank. So it includes, I think it includes insurance and mutual funds, etc.
Super. Good. You told nicely, but first introduction utna nahi jarut. There is no need for that. Simply you could have told me. Para banking means non-banking activities like bank assurance and mutual fund selling plus wealth management advisory services. Because banking means first the definition of banking is I would have told 1,000 times in my videos. Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. Para banking means doing services like bank assurance and mutual fund activities and this wealth management advisory services. Then awards we have discussed, CSR we have done, tagline we have done. What is the tagline for UCO Bank? And anybody tell me? What is the tagline for?
Your perfect banking partner.
Honors your trust.
Pardon?
It is honors your trust.
Honors your trust. Correct? Hello?
Yes.
What is the tagline for our Central Bank of India? Central Bank of India, Sumod, you have joined today, na? Sumed. You know what is the tagline of our Central Bank of India? Central Bank of India tagline is central to you since 1911. Central to you since 1911 is the tagline for Central Bank of India. It's okay, good. Then you should also go through the website of the bank and know about vision and mission. You need not try to tell about this unless you remember correctly. If they ask, you tell it briefly. Normally in bank interviews, they don't get time to ask these things. Then next important point is they may ask you, what is the latest news you have read about our bank? For that, from 3 days before the interview, you go through newspapers and check up what is the latest news you are getting. Otherwise, go and search in google.com or chat GPT latest news about UCO Bank. Like that, you ask, it will tell you. Mug it up. Then this question is certain. Some current affair news they will ask. If anybody is going for interview in the next few days, there will be a question regarding what is that our Kashmir problem. Then union minister list I told you, state cabinet ministers list I told you, neighboring states also. Hereafter, you must answer these questions. Abhay, please tell me, how will you do sales?
Yes, sir. So I believe that I have good confidence skills. So I will actually learn about the products and services offered by the federal bank. So for the products and services are offered for individuals, NRIs and businesses. So I will learn about the advantages of each products and services, and I will try my best to convince each and every customer that if they are taking a particular product or service, they will get the benefit from this. And also not only learning the qualities of our products and services, I will also have a vague idea about the competitors products and services, so it will be if the customer raises any questions about this particular product, then I can compare quickly. Then I will be able to quickly assess the situation.
Not bad, but in some places you are repeating same point 2 times. You please
Yes.
listen to what you said, so you can avoid that. Otherwise, even I will be doing it, but it depends
Yeah.
on the confidence. You were talking with confidence. I am happy about that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And also, we must be aware of sales, 4 P's of 5 P's of marketing. Anybody knows about this? 5 P's of marketing.
Product, price, place, promotion.
5 P's of marketing: product, price, promotion, place. Then another one, what?
4 P's promotion.
5 P's are there. What are the 5 P's of marketing? Product, price, promotion, place, people. So I am sharing again this one in our group so that some of you can get time and read this also. Okay, very good. Excellent. Please go through that. 5 P's of marketing. What are we doing here? So that was one question. Now, next question is about see, the interview will become successful if you talk with confidence. If you tell introduction with confidence. And while talking, you must tell about the achievements made by you. Everybody need not go to the Everest. Everybody need not go to the space and get down from the space. But whatever you have done, what you feel is important, you please talk about it happily. In Tamil, we have a phrase, Kakaiku tankunju punkunju. That is for a crow, the crow small ones are like golden ones. Likewise, whatever skills you have, you should try to market. See, what is interview? Interview is nothing but an occasion where you are trying to sell yourself. Sell yourself means you are not selling yourself for money, but you are selling your services to them for salary. So please try to know good about yourself, talk nicely, so that in the hobbies, if you tell something, they will ask you about hobbies. Vijay Lakshmi, what are your hobbies?
Sir, painting.
See, answering in one word is only 3-year-old child will do. 5-year-old girl will do. Not an adult like you. You should speak.
Yes, sir.
Vijaya Lakshmi. Jaya Lakshmi, do you know some famous people with this name?
No,
Excuse me. No, sir. You must know about Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was living from 1900 to 1990. She was an Indian freedom fighter, diplomat, and a politician. She has served as the 8th President of the United Nations. So please get to know some details about Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and some you can go through Wikipedia. Apart from that, you are from Karnataka. I think there must be some famous people in Karnataka also, some dancers, musicians, and all that. I don't know. Please check it up.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now your answer painting will give you Sorry to say, 2 marks out of 10. You won't get marks for that. Why are you telling
Sir,
like this?
actually, sir, I'm little bit nervous, sir.
That is why these classes are conducted. Questions are being asked. And here you are not shown on screen. In spite of it, if you are going to have fear, how will you talk before strangers there? So, in fact, our Subiksha was such bright girl, very happy, and she was talking happily. But nowadays she is fearing too much. Why? Subiksha, please start talking loudly by standing in an open area. Talk about banking, talk about Federal Bank, talk about Reserve Bank, talk about friends, talk about enemies. Start practicing it. That will help you. Same thing, Vijay
Okay,
Lakshmi,
sir.
you should do. And Vijay Lakshmi, can you now try to tell more details about your hobbies?
Okay, sir. Sir, in my free time, I try to paint about the nature. I love the nature, so I paint it.
Okay. Hmm. See, are you seeing on the screen? Vijay Lakshmi, please read.
Yes.
Hobbies are
Hobbies are enjoyable activities done in one's free time for relaxation. Example include reading, cooking, instruments, gardening, and learning languages.
read.
These
Vijay Lakshmi.
activities can range
Hmm.
from creative pursuits like writing or painting to physical activities like hiking or sports, or even social activities like dancing or attending events.
Hmm.
Types of hobbies: creative
Very.
writing, painting,
No, no, you are
playing
not read.
musical instruments.
You're not reading with interest. Let me see how Mala is going to do. Mala, please read.
From the starting, sir.
No, from types of hobbies.
Okay. Types of hobby. Creative hobbies. Writing, painting, playing musical instruments, crafting, and cooking. Physical activity. Hiking, sports, dancing, and gardening. Intellectual. Reading, learning languages and puzzles. Social. Blogging, journaling. Participating in the community activities. Others. Collecting items and video games and travel.
Hmm.
Why hobbies are important.
Hmm.
Uh, Stress relief. Engaging in hobbies can be a great way to de-stress and relax. Personal growth. Hobbies can help individuals develop new skills, learn more about themselves, and expand their interests. Social connections. Some hobbies like joining a club or participating in a group activity can help people connect with others and build social connections. Enhance life. Hobby can add enjoyment, meaning, and purpose to daily life.
Now, in your answer, you must try to relate these things and your hobbies and tell in an interesting way. For example, if you say writing is my skill, hobby, then they will ask you, what is it you have written recently? Have you written for books or magazines? Have you written for blogs? Something like that they will ask. So you must learn that. In fact, in one Karnataka Bank interview, a girl was asked to sing a song. Same thing in Federal Bank interview also. A Bengali girl was asked to sing a song. In fact, I asked her the same question. In her mock interview, she got that and she got selected. I told her to go and visit Kalighat temple after selection. And she said, Sir, I have been posted to Kalighat branch. This happened a year back. So likewise, you must believe in what we are doing and try to excel your performance in that area. So I have explained to you about hobbies also. Now, next question. This type of question will be asked for, say, commerce and others. How do you analyze the Federal Bank share price? See, you should always tell good only. The share price of a Federal Bank is going up. It will go up like because banks credentials are good. Like that, you should speak. Then situation-based question. This is only for Federal Bank. How will you market a product at the huge traffic where people are horning? This question, a boy was selected who told the answer. Sir, I will try to market our car loan for electric vehicles. This boy was selected, and it's because he said that if more electric vehicles comes, car smoking smokes will come down, and the problem will be less in the signals and all that. That's what he was telling. Then if you want to invest in Federal share, how will you analyze the company? Here you have to state the performance of the company in which I want to invest. What is its share price? What is its book value? What is the sales it has done? How its profit has been improving steadily? Then likewise, you can tell about these ratios. Some of these ratios I would have told here. Like you can also state, when I invest in shares, I will also invest in find out from the banks what is GNPA, NNPA level, and what is its CRAR level, and all that I will study. And some more points. Can anyone guide me? What are the other points to be looked into before investing in company shares? Come on. Can anyone help me in this? Some North Indian boy, Sumod. Can you try? Points to be looked into before investing in a company share. Hello, who was answering this? Faustina, can you read this now? Before investing in a company,
Before investing in a company shares, it's crucial to assess the company's financial health, industry position, and leadership. This includes reviewing financial ratios, understanding the company's market opportunity, and evaluating the strength and experience of its management. Key areas to consider: financial health, financial ratios, analyze key ratios like earnings per share (EPS),
I was not getting these points in my mind. That's why I was searching here and there. Earnings per share. Continue.
Earnings per share, price to earnings ratio, that is P ratio, debt to equity, and return on equity to GAAP profitability, valuation, and debt levels.
Continue.
3. Cash flow. Assess the company's ability to generate cash after all expenses, which can indicate future dividend potential or share buybacks. Annual reports. Review annual reports for comprehensive information on the company's financial performance, strategy, and future outlook. Dividend history. If income is the primary goal, evaluate the company's dividend history and payout ratios. Industry position. Industry performance. Assess the overall health and growth potential of the industry the company operates in. Competitive landscape. Analyze the company's competitive position and its ability to differentiate itself from competitors. Market opportunity. Evaluate the size and growth potential of the market the company is targeting. Leadership and management. Management quality. Assess the experience, track record, and strategic vision of the company's management team. Broad composition.
Board
Consider the
composition.
board
Board
composition. Sorry, sir. Board
Read.
composition. Consider the experience and independence of the company's board of directors. Management changes. Be aware of any major management changes that could impact the company's direction. Risk and valuation. Risk. Identify and assess the risk associated with the company, including industry-specific risk, economic risk, and political risk. Valuation. Determine if the stock is undervalued or overvalued based on its financial performance and growth potential. Personal investment goals. Risk tolerance. Assess your personal risk tolerance and investment goals. Diversification. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to reduce risk. Additional tips. Research. Thoroughly research the company, its industry, and its competitive landscape before investing. Long-term perspective. Consider investing in companies with strong fundamentals and a long-term growth potential. Consult a professional. If needed, seek advice from a financial advisor or investment professional.
Good. So this is very good. It has come very well. I am giving this in our WhatsApp group. Please read it. None of you are reading whatever I am giving, or you are not watching the videos I am posting also. I am very sorry. If you watch the videos, whatever I am sharing, it will be useful for you. Good. Very good. Where are we? We are here. No. Which one are we doing? This one. Yeah. Good. So like this, question about family, then about preferred location. Whenever they ask this question in whatever bank it is, you tell I am willing to be posted anywhere within the state. If you are applying for LBO, ZBO, and if you are applying for a federal bank, you say I am willing to be posted anywhere in India. Federal bank strength and area of improvement. Sometimes they tease you by asking this question. What do you think is strength of our bank and the areas we require improvement? Normally in our LBO, ZBO interview, they may not ask this much question because they don't spend more than 10 minutes time for you. Within those 10 minutes, you must be able to impress them by talking well in your local language or in English. This is what it is. Now, next is another candidate. 1 minute. I will stop
Sir?
this one. Yeah.